Hello guys, good morning or good afternoon, depends where you are. Today I have another Dolmar 153 in for repair. I bought this one and it had a little bit scoring on the piston, but not excessive. I could have, in fairness, I could have used the old piston, but I said I will buy a replacement. Yeah, new piston, new rings, the jug cleared, so it's all nice and clean now. I had to make the base gasket. I like to install this one with base gasket because they have a lot of compression anyway. So anyway, the gasket is 0.5 of a mil. So I've made the gasket. Yeah, nothing special about this one. Runs the original coil, and luckily it has spark. I had to change the switch wire on all these coils, all the coils, these Bosch coils. The switch wire gets rotten. Husqvarna 2100, still 056, 045, Dolmars, not only this model, 122, 122, 123, 133, 144, 152, they all get this wire gets rotten. So I dismantle everything. Luckily this one, the end of the crank is okay, the bearings are okay, nice and smooth. Changed the seals, so remove the clutch, change the seal, remove the flywheel and the coil, change the seal. This cone rod is good, is nice and clean, not wear at all. You can see inside it's nice and clean. Well, I've cleaned it anyway, so yeah. It had a couple of AV mounts broken, but I have a couple of spares, and I will install the jug, so the cylinder, then the carburetor, and so on, and I'll see you when everything is put together.